Do you know you can make money online by converting your Facebook profile into a Facebook page? 1 million views on Facebook is equals to $1,000. Come on, if you're in Nigeria, are you thinking what I'm doing right now? Convert it yourself. I'm going to be showing you how to convert your Facebook profile into a Facebook page so that you can start making money and start monetizing your Facebook page. So for you to be able to convert your Facebook profile into a Facebook page, you must have a feature called professional mode. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you where to see your professional mode and how to turn it on and convert your Facebook profile into a Facebook page so that you can start monetizing it. Now please note, you converting your Facebook profile into a Facebook page and creating a Facebook page is a two different things entirely. They have the different disadvantages and they have their advantages. So if you want to learn how to create a Facebook page or convert your Facebook profile into a Facebook page, please make sure to watch the video from start to end because everything I said, their value, everything I said are important. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to be teaching you how to convert a Facebook profile into a Facebook page. And I'm also going to be going to tell you things to observe and what you should do next, each and every steps you need to take. So if it's something you're interested in, so please keep watching. So before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is Joseph. I'm a product designer, a web developer, a content creator, and also a photographer. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, thank you very much for coming across. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for returning. I love you so much. So in this my channel, I create videos on how to use online tools as a techie, whether you're a techie or not. I create videos on how to create websites, how to design, how to edit both videos and pictures. Basically, my channel is for content creators. So if you're a content creator or aspiring to be a content creator, this is the place for you. This channel is for you. So without doing much talk again, let's dive into the main video for today and see what a professional mode is. So professional mode gives you access to a bundle of professional tools and monetization products if you are eligible and safety features that can help you build your professional presence and a global community from your personal profile. Turning on your professional mode doesn't create a separate profile. Yes, so turning on your professional mode doesn't create a separate profile. It is the same profile, so your page will be on your profile. So even if you have another page, it's not creating that something entirely. So now let me say, for example, now what I mean is your page, your personal profile, how it looks, how it's when you post and see your post, that is exactly how it will look like as a page. The only thing that will happen is that you'll turn your friends into followers and the people you've added will turn them into following. That will show it as if you're following them. So that's just it. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to open your Facebook. So once you open it like this, you just have to head back to this profile. Yes, head back to this profile. So as you can see, where my name is. You can see that I have already turned on my professional mode. Now you can see that I have 2.7k followers. I have 56 following. So now how do you turn on or turn off a professional mode? So now I'm just going to turn off my professional mode first. Then I'll come on it again and show you what to do. Yes. So basically, I've just turned off my professional mode now. So now you can see I have 2.7k friends, but before it was showing as followers. So now the thing I'm going to do here is that I'll head over to these three dots that you can see over here. That's how to turn on your professional mode. So we're just going to head over to these three dots that you can see over here. And you see turn on professional mode. Yes, so now you say turn on professional mode, add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook. Get paid for your content. If you are eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content. Yes, so we're just gonna turn it on. Just gonna turn it on. So once it's on, so now you can see that because I have already turned on my professional mode, I do some other settings. So these are showing on my own. I had already set everything. I'm just saying that I'm on level 1. Yes, I'm on level 1. So now for you, once you turn on your professional mode, it's just gonna show a place that you can create that you can edit your profile, add details to your profile, add your cover photo, add the profile picture, and that's all, and your page is good to go. So that's just that one. So that's just it on how to turn your profile into a Facebook page. So that's just the basic things you need to do, and you don't really have to suffer because your friends from school, from the church, they will still see your profile as your page and still engage how do we engaging your content or your posts before. Nothing new, is the same thing. But for this particular one, you need 5,000 friends, 5,000 followers to be able to monetize it. So once you have 5,000 followers, you are eligible to monetize your page. So once you turn on your professional mode, just can go and check if you have 5,000 friends. So if you have up to 5,000 friends, you are eligible to start monetizing your Facebook page. Yes, your Facebook page. So now I'm going to be heading over to show you how to create a Facebook page, normal Facebook page, not turning your Facebook profile into a Facebook page. Yes, to a Facebook page. So I'm just going to be heading back from here. So now, because I have turned it on, you can see I have 2.7k friends. I'll just have to refresh this. I can say I now have 2.7k followers and I have 56 following. There's 56 following. So now, I'm just going to go over to now show you how to create a page. Create a page. So all you just need to do is come over to this 3 buttons by your left and scroll down here. You can see this flag that says page. So I'm just going to be creating it, clicking on that. Yes. So now, for the page, for my personal profile that I converted into a page, yes, you can see it over here that it's registered digital creator. It's showing as a page, not as a profile. You see? It's showing as a page, not as a profile. Yes. So that important thing is that if you have a page already and you've converted your personal profile into a page, you might not be able to create another page again. Yes, you might not be able to create another page again. Facebook might think like you have too many pages or some sort of English like that. You understand? So you might not be able to create another page again. Yes. So let me show you how to create a page. So now you've seen this create over here. You just have to head over to this create page, and now you can see create your page. A page is a place where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, or organization. So now another thing that I'm just doing is this get started. I'm just going to press this get started. Get started. Yes. So I might not be able to create a new page again, but I have a page already and I've converted my personal profile into a page. But I just want to show you guys the step on how to create a page. So now you're saying what's the name of your page? What name should I use? Let me set it as yes. I don't know where that's coming from. I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to use this. So now, next thing I'm going to be doing here is I'm just going to tap on this next button. Yes. So now they say what category best describe? Please call me. That's it. Please call me is not my page now. So they're asking me what category best describe what I'm doing. So me personally, I'm a techie. I'm a tech guy. I build websites. I do designs. I edit videos. I edit pictures. I do also do product shoots. So what I'm actually looking for is something better to take, or science, or technology, or anything. So what page describe me or my page is take. So I'm just gonna search for take. So I can see here information technology company. I can see science tech. So first of all, I'm just gonna choose the science tech again. So you can add as much category as you want. Yes, you can add as much category as you want. So I'm just gonna search the tech again. And I'll add the information technology company. Yeah, I'm just gonna add that. So next thing I'm just gonna be doing here is to tap on this create. Yes. So you can see under here. They're telling me you have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. Yes. So I'm not allowed Facebook. Because of Facebook policy, you're not allowed to create another page again. But for you, you don't have a page or you have an existing page and you want to create another page, and you are allowed to. So once you tap on this create, this is the last stage basically. Yes, this is the last stage. So once you create on this page, they're going to tell you that you successfully created a page, and that just you're doing is to invite your friends. Yes, I recommend you tap on that invite button. Yes, because it will help them. It will help the page boost and be able to rank. Yes, to need to rank, because once you tap on invite, they're automatically going to invite almost all your friends on your Facebook. Yes, almost all your friends on Facebook. So I recommend you tap on that. And another thing you're going to be doing is to just set up your profile. Yes, set up your page. Like let's say, for example, they don't ask what description of your page. Yes, description of your page. So you want to add some links, some write-ups, and also add profile picture and cover photo too. Yes, you also add cover photo too. So that's just for creating a Facebook page and also turning a Facebook profile into a Facebook page. So now I'm going to tell you the difference between creating a Facebook page and the difference between creating. So now I'm going to tell you the difference between Facebook page and the Facebook profile that was turned into a Facebook page. So now let's start from Facebook profile. So the advantages about the Facebook profile that was turned into a page is that you don't really have to suffer to create and to get followers again, because basically your friends from church, your friends from school, your friends from company, organization, anywhere, the friends you had before is the same people that will see that you've turned it into a page and start seeing your content that you're publishing and that you're posting there. So you don't really have to suffer to add more friends again or add more followers or start with a invite button, because it's the same people that you had. This is just be accepting friend requests. So I recommend that if you've done your Facebook profile into a Facebook page, I recommend that you go to your friends, where you add friends, accept each and every single friend request that is sent to you. Accept it, just go and accept it. I don't know, but that's what I do. Just go and accept it because you need it. Yes, you need it in order to start monetizing your Facebook page. Yes, you need it. So just go ahead and accept all the friend requests there. And that's it. Another thing between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page is that you don't, in a Facebook profile that you turn into a Facebook page, you don't really have access to add people to manage your page for you. Yes, but in a normal Facebook page, you have the ability to add people to go to manage your page. No matter where they are, no matter where you are, you can still bring them in and they will help you manage it. But in the profile that was turned into a page, you don't have access to this. When you convert your Facebook profile into a page, go to the dashboard. Yes, you have to go to the dashboard and check if you are eligible to start monetizing this page. Yes, check if you're eligible to start monetizing this page. So now let me show you where to see your dashboard. So now from your home button, from this your home, just come back to this place and scroll. You can see professional dashboard. Tap on it. So now once you tap on this, just scroll down. Just scroll down. So once you scroll down, go to where you can see if monetization. Tap on the monetization and see if you're eligible to start monetizing your Facebook page. Yes. So now I want to tell you this. So now if you've actually violated any Facebook rules before, violated any law of Facebook, now I would advise you look for it to sort it out, because once you are eligible to monetize your Facebook page or your profile that you've gone into a page, you might not be monetized. Yes. They might not monetize your account because you're violating a rule. So I recommend you start now and look for how to sort out every error you had. If you have violated any rule on Facebook that is not against the community policy or whatever, look for how to sort it out so that you can start monetizing your Facebook profile that you turn into a page or your main Facebook page when it's time. So now you can see these ads. So this is just the basic things I will need to do, just this ad reels and other stuff. So you can see I'm not yet eligible. Once I get to up to 5,000 followers on my profile that I've done into a page, I'll be eligible. Or on my own page, once I get to 10,000 followers, I'll be eligible. So that's just it for creating a Facebook page or turning a Facebook profile into a Facebook page. So I hope you learned something. I hope this was a nice video for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, I'll be doing the next video. And in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to edit your videos using CapCut, because I think CapCut is the recent apps that I see and people use now because it's simple and it's unique. So I'm going to be showing you how to use CapCut to edit your videos. But my next video I'm going to be doing is basically on, I'll show you how to use CapCut to fake your background, change your background, and have something nice, edit your videos well. Yes, because you will see a lot of content creators on YouTube, you're like, wow, the way that styling is nice, the background looks good, and other stuff. So, in my next video, I'll show you how to use CapCut to edit your video and have something nice as a content creator. Or even if you're not a content creator, I'm just going to show you how to use CapCut to edit your videos and have something very nice and cool. If it's also helpful, please, I've been begging you from the beginning of this video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. If you have anything you want to ask me, comment below. I'm sure to answer all the comments there. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.